Hey guys, welcome to the DuckHill Workshop. My name is Ben, and I forgot to shoot an intro. So, here's a little time-lapse action of what day 2 of timber framing at the North House Folk School in Grand Marais is like. Glenn and I punched through all of our mortises in our post today. And we laid out our king post at the end of the day, but we'll talk a little bit more about that later. Tomorrow is going to be some layout, and we will finally start cutting tenons. So, I hope you enjoy. Stay tuned tomorrow for day 3 and just more awesome timber framing and beautiful Grand Marais Harbor. Enjoy. Alright, so in case you were wondering, the process for laying out these mortises, or cutting these mortises, is we get to use this awesome chain mortiser to hog out all the waste, and then we sneak back in, clean up the sides, and true the bottom of the mortise to a perfect 90 degrees with our chisels. The chain mortiser is friggin' amazing. Makes life so easy, and, you know, when I decide to bite the $1,500 bullet to get one for myself, that'll make life just incredible.
Good thing it's not going.
Oh, but it is.
Oh, but it is. Am I in this, or do I have to run away?
I don't care.
Run away!
Run away!
Run away! You're the woodworkers that say me! Knee brace. Knee brace. Tenon. Burn us Astro King Post. Is that a white pine? Or a Scotch pine? I don't know. Alright, anyways, day 2.
What?
Yeah, all of our post mortises are done. Let's see. And yeah, right. We got chisels. Sharpie sharp chisels. And mallets. It's not a dog tree. It's not a dog tree. It is rawhide, but it's not a dog tree. Jax might disagree. And we have king posts laid out, ready to cut tomorrow. We'll be cutting tenons, a couple more mortises, and then we'll start laying out our ridge beams, which will be pretty fantastic. So, anyways, until tomorrow.
Embedded in
Our leaders saying goodbye. Adieu, adieu.